show you how to cash out $500 on Cash App. These apps are available on both App Store and Google Play Store. And once you've set up your account, including linking your bank and verifying your information, you'll be ready to use Cash App's various banking features. Cash App functions as a full-service financial platform where you can manage a cash balance, invest in bitcoins and stocks, receive direct deposits, and even use physical card for purchase. For this tutorial, we are focusing on cashing out funds. If you'd like to add cash to your Cash App balance, you can transfer directly from your bank or have someone send it to you using peer-to-peer payments. To cash out $500, simply tap the Cash Out button at the top of the screen. Then use the slider to select the amount. You can also tap the amount to enter a more specific figure. After choosing $500, tap Cash Out. You'll see two options: a standard transfer, which is free and usually takes 1 to 2 business days, or an instant transfer with a small fee. We'll go with the free standard option, which will have the funds in the bank by Wednesday. After selecting standard transfer, go with the verifications and you'll see $500 will be available in your bank account by Wednesday. And tap Done. And that's it, a simple way to transfer money on Cash App for free. You can use it to send funds to others or transfer it to your own bank account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.